This is it. We are in the beautiful city in Bali. It's called Ubud City. It's getting a little bit busy in here, which is pretty good. And we just... why are you laughing actually?
We start our video by watching the traffic in Ubud.
Oh well, somehow. But isn't that interesting? Check this out. These cars actually very nice, old Volkswagens. And the tourists driving around. So yeah, we had our early dinner or late lunch. Beautiful pizza and milk and manu. Very nice place. Somebody recommend to us. Actually, many of you also said this is a great place. So why not? This is already like a third time actually when we are vlogging, but somehow you made miss this part when we were there before. So why not? Also pretty busy there. A lot of young tourists actually around. Also some local people, but everybody are pretty young here in Ubud right now. So overall situation, and we're gonna show you around.
So here we are in the center, in Ubud Center. On the right side is the Ubud Palace. It's basically, this is the heart of Ubud. And behind me is basically the Ubud traditional market. If you still remember, I think that last month or few weeks ago we were here to record how is Ubud traditional market. I think at that time there were still some sellers, you know, selling, what is it called? All the stuff, you know, souvenir clothes hanging there by the fence. But nowadays, closed. I think that, you know, they closed due to the improving the, you know, the development of the buildings. But you see the traffic here in the rush hours, so crazy. Last time that whenever we were in the Ubud over there in the monkey forest area where we only watch, you know, that the music, the modern music, pop music, here in the Ubud Palace. And then I think that in the Pura Saraswati there are the two places that you can still watch the Balinese traditional dances. I think it's only here, and you know, in some of the restaurant in Ubud I couldn't find any, but only here in Ubud Palace.
Meanwhile, the construction of the art market progress, like a little update, how does it look inside on the construction site? Looks like this one, guys. An overall situation in Giant Monkey Forest, busy as always. Check this out, quite a lot of people walking, passing by. Hello, how are you? And of course the traffic situation, everybody are stuck actually, they are not moving at all. So yeah, and the restaurants are busy again. So if you are missing traffic in Bali, especially in Ubud, coming from Monkey Forest after 5 p.m., you can expect as Bali is back in 100%. Yesterday I stuck in one traffic in different part of Bali and make an Insta story on our Instagram. If you don't follow us, you can do it now. And everybody said, well, Bali is back, definitely, without any doubts. And I have to confirm that, because, well, I used to vlog here when there was nobody. Actually, nobody was here and nothing was there. So definitely, Bali is back.
This is, you know, how is Ubud. I thought that, you know, like because it's the holiday season, let's say July or August, you know, where the summer holiday already finished, you know, like decreasing number of the tourists coming to Bali. But, you know, in Ubud seems like still, you know, the traffic and people are here.
Honey,
so yeah,
the summer holiday in Europe is still actually right
still?
now.
I thought it's already
No,
finished.
it's finished on the 1st September. Only Australian holidays are finished.
Ah, I see. Yeah, when we were in the, I think that when we had a dinner there before, I see like so many young people, you know, having a dinner there. So yeah, this is it, how it is now in Bali, you know.
The only numbers were decreasing, numbers of viewers who watching my videos, guys. During the pandemic, actually, the numbers were slowly growing up, even nothing was here around. But when everything is open, and it's actually very interesting over here, all the numbers are decreasing, which is actually very sad, but however, totally understandable. You guys already in Bali, been in Bali, so not interested anymore to watching my videos. Sad, but true. Overall situation in the art market, definitely quite a lot of tourists interested about the lovely stuff what you can find everywhere around, and also of course so many nice interesting stuff on every corner of the market.
This is so cute. Oh, you want to buy this one?
Maybe.
So we decided to go to one of the restaurant, which is, you know, like the second floor restaurant like this. And we can see the traffic from here. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's so busy, and you can jump to the bus actually to the rooftop. It's actually, it's very high actually. That's cool actually, something new. Never been here before. So basically, guys, when I'm sitting in this restaurant, my memories from Vietnam came when I was in Hanoi. I was on the second floor of the one bar watching the train. You know the train. You watch my videos. If not, you can watch them again. And now it's very similar. Just instead of the train, you can see the train of the cars stuck in the traffic. You know, pretty similar actually attraction. Same but different, right? Same but not the same. Anyway, you're so happy now?
No, I just realized that why this warung is quite busy. Makasih, makasih Kak. Why this warung is quite busy, you know, because I think that because the food here is very affordable. Like this one is only in Ubud price, Ubud Center especially, only 40K without the tax and service.
Great.
So actually, go selamat makan.
Also, one of the biggest paradox in Bali is this is the sign which is parking is not allowed, obviously, and this is how the people park, obviously, but even more ridiculous is how the motorbikes blocking other motorbikes and the cars and everything. So this is like, well, Bali life, I could say.
I'm planning, you know, to take a Grab because we park our car is quite far from the Ubud Center, basically because the traffic was crazy. But if I see that traffic is like this, I'm thinking that just walking is much faster and easier than take the Grab.
So you see, we traveled here for 2 hours one way, and now I don't even know how we're gonna come back home in this traffic. I don't even know how we're gonna enter the traffic in general, to this traffic jam. What is it over here? So I really appreciate if you could please hit the, you know, the like button. At least 500, 600 likes, maybe 10,000 views, something like that. And of course, if you find this channel just right now, don't forget to subscribe. I will really appreciate, at least for my effort, what I'm doing every single day for you guys.